Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny. Before anything, happy 2024 you guys. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all the very best for this fresh year. Like we're always saying like New Year's resolution and sort of things, but you know, it will always have to be something that you should do now than rather waiting for another year to start. But yeah, I'm excited for 2024. I wanted to do a lot of things, and I have things planned out in the back of my mind, but I hope to get around to actually reaching these goals. So yeah, to anyone who has just stumbled upon my channel, I am Kenny. I do a lot of unboxings and bag reviews on my channel. If you are into luxury and all that jazz, especially pre-loved shopping, I do a lot of these, and I would like for you to consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and to like the video if you do enjoy this kind of content. And while you're at it, please drop some comments as well. So yeah, if you can see what I have here, I've got a massive Loewe box and a Louis Vuitton box. So I know you're eager to know what I got for you guys today. Okay, let's start off with the Vuitton one. This probably you have seen like at the back on one of my background videos, but I haven't like done like a proper reveal for it, but here it is. I actually got it from a friend, and yeah, let's open it up. There you go. Ta-da-da. Look at that. And you know, matching with this outfit, look at that. Doesn't it look stunning with this? And it's, I think, from a collection where they have like the tapestry thing. I actually am not very like informed about like Vuitton collections and sort of things, but when my friend offered me this item, I feel like I have to have it. It's something that's quite special, a bit rare, rather than having their canvas ones. But I thought I actually like it for some events. I love like denim and jeans, so I feel like this would work perfectly with my fits and in my wardrobe overall. But yeah, especially with this kimono style and with blazers, I feel like it's gonna fit perfectly. And yeah, that's it. I feel like I don't really have a lot to say about this, but yeah. It's in this like indigo colorway with that. Yeah, that's that. And for this, all right, I actually have been thinking about getting this bag for so like 3 to 4 years now. First YouTuber that I've seen was Emma Hill. She actually inspired me to get Patrick my Loewe puzzle bag, and so this is no different to that. The sun is really shining too bright, but so pardon if I'm squinting a bit. This is from Japan, from eBay, from their eBay shop. I think I can't remember which eBay shop now, but I might pop it on the screen if I do remember. But yeah, let's open it up. It's actually very big, but this is it. I think you probably know what this is. It's called the cushion tote. I think this is the large size, and it's massive, you guys. I have to put this down. I think I can like pop this on top. Just Look how massive this is. It's giving like holiday vibes, going to the beach, to Maldives, to Thailand, to Bali, to a paradise. It's like so chic. And the tan, obviously, this is my colorway, tan and my navies and blues. So, such a vibe, right? That is stunning. Right. Let me put this down a bit and talk more about it. So, okay. Obviously my love for this puzzle bag kind of influenced as well on this purchase. I pulled this out because I wanted to compare the colors of this tan. This obviously is, if you can see from the screen, it's pebbled leather. This is the smoother calfskin. I feel like this is more caramelly in terms of the shade of tan, and this is much more deeper shade of tan. Yeah. And then I would like to show you guys like the features of this bag. I like how the length of this like shoulder strap is. It's quite comfortable. It's not like falling off your shoulder. It also has this detail where you can expand the bag. Where you can expand the bag, much like I remember the trapeze from like Celine. It has that kind of aesthetic, but more minimal. And yeah, it looks stunning. And it's got these ties where you can like secure your bag, but I don't feel like that's gonna help as like much for the security of the bag. It's just like an open style tote, basically. It's got these like leather details in there, and the branding very, very subtle. It's only got that embossing there, the Loewe logo. The inside is a big black hole. There's no, oh, there is pockets. There's like slip pockets on both sides of the bag, but otherwise it's just a big black hole actually. I feel like I might need like a bag organizer for this, and it came with the dust bag, and it feels to me like the owner of this bag like didn't actually use it. Probably used it once or twice, but it looks immaculate. It's a bit heavy, but I actually like it. I like the size. And it was it was a good deal, basically. But that's why I got it as well. I didn't want to buy the cushion tote, but for this price and because it's leather, I feel like it's worth the gamble or the risk. And also it came with the box. I was surprised. I didn't actually thoroughly read the description. I didn't even know that it came with a box, but that is such a good surprise. I think if I don't end up liking it in the long run, I feel like the box is like a major selling point as well. I feel like people wanted the whole package for this bag. But I haven't checked actually if this came with the tags. It doesn't seem like it did, but hold on a second. I think it's Brandier auction. Brandia? I think it's Brandia. No, I think I got rid of... Yeah, I think I did get rid of it. Anyways. Yeah, that is the video, you guys. Quite short but simple. yeah, I hope you guys had a pretty good like holiday season, like Christmas and the New Year. I hope you spent it very well with family and friends. I really wish you guys all the very best this coming year, and I hope you're well. I'm quite rude. I didn't ask how you are. How are you? Like, really, how are you guys? But yeah, honestly. All right, let's start fresh this year and, just keep pushing through life. We can do this. We got this, you guys. And yeah, that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.